has always been a game of two halves. But today, the world isn't watching a match. We are witnessing a heartbreaking contrast between the two greatest players to ever touch a ball. While the world celebrates the rumor of a monumental milestone in Cristiano Ronaldo's life, a new chapter of joy and unity, the football universe has simultaneously stopped to mourn a profound loss for Lionel Messi. It is the story of two icons, two different worlds, and a reality that hits harder than any final whistle. For Cristiano Ronaldo, life seems to be at its absolute zenith. As he continues to dominate the pitch in Saudi Arabia, reports of a potential wedding and a new milestone in his personal life have ignited his massive fan base. We are seeing a Ronaldo who is peaceful, grounded, and surrounded by the love of his family. For CR7, this isn't just about football anymore. It's about securing a legacy of happiness. The man who conquered every stadium in Europe is now building his own private paradise, proving that even after decades of pressure, he has finally found the winner's calm. But thousands of miles away, the narrative is painfully different. The world woke up to the devastating news that Jorge Messi, the man who nurtured the little boy from Rosario into the god of football, has passed away. Jorge wasn't just a father. He was the first coach, the first agent, and the pillar of strength when young Leo faced the world's hardest challenges. Now we finally understand those tears we saw during the World Cup. The weight Leo Messi was carrying on his shoulders wasn't just the pressure of the trophy. It was the quiet, agonizing battle of his father's health. Today, Messi stands not as a global superstar, but as a son who has lost his greatest supporter. It is a cruel coincidence of fate. One king celebrates the dawn of a new life, while the other walks through the valley of the shadow of death. As football fans, we often forget that behind the jerseys, the trophies, and the billion-dollar contracts, they are human beings navigating life's most unpredictable cycles. Whether you are Team Messi or Team Ronaldo, today, we put the rivalry aside. Our hearts go out to the Messi family. What do you think about how these two legends manage their personal lives under such public pressure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Rest in peace, Jorge Messi. And may we always remember that greatness, too, has a human side.